Richard Feynman won the Nobel Prize in Physics and was nicknamed the Great Explainer for his ability to make complex topics simple. His learning technique is used by top students at MIT, Stanford, and medical schools worldwide. Read, watch, or listen to material on your topic and take notes. This is standard studying, nothing special yet. The magic comes in the next step. Write an explanation of the topic using only simple words that a 12-year-old would understand. No jargon, no technical terms. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it deeply enough. The gaps in your explanation reveal the gaps in your understanding. Go back to the source material and study specifically the parts where your explanation broke down. These are your true knowledge gaps. Most people skip this step in normal studying and end up with the illusion of understanding. They recognize terms without truly comprehending them. Rewrite your explanation even simpler, this time using analogies and stories. If you can create an analogy that makes a complex concept click, you've achieved true understanding. This final version becomes a permanent note in your knowledge system. Pick something you're currently learning and try the Feynman technique right now. Write a one-paragraph explanation for a 12-year-old. You'll immediately feel where your understanding is solid and where it's shaky.